My name is Ann Kepner. I'm a personal injury attorney at the firm Needham, Kepner and Fish. One of the areas that we have been, a type of case that we've handled many of is bicycle accident cases where we represent the bicyclist who's either been seriously injured, and on occasion we've represented families of people who've died while bicycling on the roadways. And we've come to know that, I think we're all aware, that cities are making greater efforts to protect cyclists. Laws were passed in California recently that now require that motorists, as they pass a cyclist on the roadway, maintain at least 3 feet of distance between the cyclist and their car. Cities in our area here in San Jose and around the county are now painting the bicycle lanes a very bright green to help the motorists, the drivers of vehicles identify that there are bicyclists on the roadway, the importance of sharing the roadway with bicyclists. But unfortunately, especially if you're a cyclist, you know that you remain very vulnerable on the roadways. And our office is prepared and equipped to handle cases where you have been injured as a cyclist or a cyclist has died. And it's important to contact a lawyer quickly after an accident so that we can gain and gather up all the evidence that's available to understand how in fact the accident did occur. And we have experts that we've worked with for years now that can help us in understanding and appreciating how the accident occurred and whether or not the driver's vision was impaired by something, and really take a very close look at the circumstantial and the physical evidence that's available. Physical evidence unfortunately disappears relatively quickly after an accident, particularly when we've had great rainstorms that have come through. So again, when a cyclist has been injured in an accident, we want to get on the scene as soon as possible so that we can gather up the evidence and we can make as good an assessment as we can as to who was at fault for the accident.